If you want to know how can you create a playlist on YouTube, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, then let's jump right into it. First, open YouTube and find a video that you want to add to a playlist. So go ahead and open any video. Then from here you need to go ahead and scroll or swipe from these buttons right here and find the save button at the end. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, just tap on change at the bottom right corner. And then from here you can choose to put it on a watch later playlist, or you can create a playlist by tapping on new playlist right here at the top right corner of this menu right there. From here you need to give a title to your playlist, of course. So I'm just going to name it podcast 2, and then from here change the privacy if you want. Now once you do that, you can tap on create, and then from here at the bottom right corner you should go to your playlist from there. If you cannot do it from there, you can go to the main screen, tap on library in the bottom right corner, and you should find the playlist alongside with other playlists that you have on your YouTube account or channel. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. If you like more straight to the point videos like this one you have just watched, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.